Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about update query in SQL. So before entering into the video, if you are visiting the channel first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell symbol. So let us see what is meant by update query. So update query is used to modify the data already existing in your database with respect to a non-volatile value in that table. So if your update query is used to change the data already present in your database, that data. So in further days, if you want to change any other data like phone number, address, or any other data, if you want to change with a non-volatile value. What does mean by non-volatile value? The value should not be changed at any time. That is called non-volatile value. So based on that value, we are going to change the data in our table. So for example, non-volatile value means for a student, the register number is a non-volatile value, and for a customer, bank customer, the account number is a non-volatile value. The syntax of the update query is update table name, your table name, set your column name. So for which column you are going to change the value. So that column name equal to value. What value you are going to change, that value you have to enter here. So in this way you can update your data. So let us discuss with the query. So see here, I have already chosen one table called new table. So I am going to select from new, execute SQL. See here what are the data available here. So these data are available here. So we are going to change this data like using three methods, by row wise, column wise, and then totally. So for changing the total values, so I am going to change update new set sections equal to C. So this is a query. So using this query, I'm going to change all the student details section as C. Verify SQL syntax, execute 10 rows affected by the last query. So we can verify here using select query. See here, all the data are changed. In all whole table data are changed. So this is one condition, we have changed the data. So another one condition is changing the data for a particular row. So in the same, I'm going to change the section value using where condition, where so where, what is this called, register number equal to 1. So I am going to change the section for a student who deserves the register number 1. For that student, I am going to change the section as A. So execute SQL. So 2 rows affected by the last query. So let us check with this. Execute SQL. So see here, with register number 1, section is changed as A, and with register number 1, section is changed as A. So this is one condition. So we have changed the data of a particular row using where condition. And then so we can also change the data as more than one column. So I am changed as class, section, student name, register number 1. So register number 1 is LKG, which is given in small letters, so we can use it as with a capital letter. So class is equal to L dot K dot G. So in this query, we are going to change the two records of a table. So execute to rows. So change execute here. Look here. So at the same time, we have changed the section and class. So in this manner, you can change row wise, column wise, and then whole table wise also. So this is the way you can change the, so whether you can change all the datas, but you cannot change the register number datas. So if you want to change the register number datas also, you have to keep one non-volatile value in your table, and then you can change the data in your table. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt in this video, subscribe my drop your doubt in my comment page. I will help you. Thank you friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.